Century presents a new walkable oblique light system. ARGO. ARGO is available in two light color temperatures, warm 3000 Kelvin and natural 4000 Kelvin. The product is supplied with black polycarbonate formwork, which must be mounted separately from LED source. Available also two cables with male and female component for a quick series connection. Covers are aluminum, available in 4 finish colors: white, corten, gray, and black, and 3 different formats, 1, 2, or 4 lights. They are also interchangeable and threaded for quick installation. To create mounting holes, we pull out the formwork and measure upper external diameter. ARGO needs a 42 millimeter hole diameter. According to the material, we choose the appropriate tool to create the hole. Besides for series connection, 2 meters extension cable is used also for supplying the product, cutting 2 pins male connector. The remaining cable with female connector will be used for supplying. After removing part of the sheath, we have 2 red and black cables to connect to low voltage 24 volt DC driver through a IP68 connector. The remaining male connector will be connected to the power cable already connected to the driver, taking care of sealing perfectly the female connector left unused. To guarantee ARGO's best lifetime and performances is crucial to implement an effective draining system with a distance from ground of at least 50 millimeters. This way, you can prevent damage caused by stagnation and you can guarantee surrounding ground stability. In the holes we fix formwork, pull out the cables we previously put underground, and thanks to pre-assembled connecting cables, we link products in series. Finally, we insert light source in the formwork and direction the output lighting flux to get the desired effect. Choose ARGO for a simple, fast, and customizable installation.